Alright, good morning. So we are in Cebu and we are on our way to our island hopping tour. Yan. This is Mactan for you. We are in Mactan. And this is the boat that we rented. So the whole gang is here. Family na Jello, Anya, family, D'Amico, sila Micah. Thank you, Ninong! Yeah. So the plan for today, parang 3 island hopping, tapos snorkeling, swimming, yun naman. So very simple. And I think what we paid for here is about more or less 3,000 per head. So medyo marami kami, we're more than 20 group So we are on our way to our first island. Malapit lang naman, I think it's about 10 minutes away from the dock. Yun, dock. Alright, so see you guys when we get there. Alright, so the tour that we use pala, cebubook.com. Sila yun. So the island is way over there. Yan, doon lang banda. And it's a deep blue sea here in Cebu. So the boat is pretty huge. And basically 1, 2, 3 families are in here. Tapos the boat already has kasama sa package yung food and drinks. So sasakay ka na lang, no? Yun na lang yan. Here's the drinks. So, kasama. Tapos they do sell urchin. Ayan. Filipino urchin. Na kuya. Alright. So lots of swimming today, lots of snorkeling. So that's it, no? First stop, San Vicente snorkeling site. Everyone's here. Kanya-kanya parada. So dyan lang, mag-swimming ka. There. So the team is getting ready. So buti wala masyadong araw. It's quite cloudy. Alright, so the gang is in the water. Isa-isang baba. So at least yung mga kids, they're enjoying. Hindi natakot nung umpisa, but they have the life vest, the goggles, everything. Andiyan sila kuya for safety purposes to guide us. Ayan, sila Anton, ang layo na. Jello, Anika, Mrs. Mitch. Ayan. So there's Mactan, the skyline of Mactan. Beautiful skyline. And everybody's here. Kanya-kanyang pwesto. Someone's already cooking in the boat. Ayan, beautiful water. Bluish water. Ayan. She's swimming. Very happy. Hi! So, this is the style. Ito yung second drop namin. So, we will be eating here. Ayan, pakita ko sa'yo. So, literal sa beach, kakain kami, no? And lots of people, lots of tourists. So many foreigners, specifically Koreans. So may market doon. You could visit the market. Tapos merong mga stalls. Ayan. So welcome to Kauhagan. Yan, na style dito. Medyo magulo. Pero okay lang yan. Ito yung mga which you can buy. Shell products, urchins, prawns. Live. Ayan, live. Ayan. So the Koreans are here. Ayan. So there's pusit. Squid. Ayan, grabe. Ang dami. Ayan. So you can buy here and then cook at your place. So they have refreshments. So maybe I'll buy the beer para to lighten up the mood. Actually, this is the first for us. Kasi nga medyo magulo. Pero okay lang yan. Ayan. So everyone settled in. Oh, just crying. Ba't ka nagka-cry?
Kasi nagmamadali, nalaglag pa mama siya sa
Oh, ayan, no? Oh, swimming na. Oh, ayun na sila. So, the kids are swimming already. Ito sa mababaw. Oh, medyo high tide. So, the tide is coming in. Oh, it's your birthday, boy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yun, basically, yan yung setup. Medyo magulo. Pero, okay lang yan. Okay. Alright, so it's lunchtime. Ayan, oh. Longganisa, pusit, nag-red doors, iton. 100 isa, sobrang mura. Diba? Isda, urchin, there's the shrimp, barbecue. So, ayan. Nung una, medyo bad trip sila, pero yung may tama na, medyo sumasaya na sila. Ayan, wala talaga eh. First for all of us. Kumain sa isang madumi. Ayan, kasi medyo hassle. Basa nga. So, para kang binaha. Kumakain sa baha. Ano, masarap pakain sa baha. So, binaha kaming lahat. So, the kids are still playing. Ayan. So, okay naman actually. Umpisa lang, syempre, medyo magulo. Tapos pag-organizing things. Pero after you settle in, okay naman na. Alright? Alright. So, on our way to our last destination, another snorkeling site. So, some of them are tired. Pero, tapak na, sleeping, wala na yun. So, tapak na eh. Ilang araw, kaya na ulit. Kaya pa, kaya nila. On our last stop, another snorkeling stop. 20 minutes away. So, on our last stop, another snorkeling site. Yan, welcome to Cebu. So, when in Cebu, the island tour is a must. And I think the group will do the banana boat. Diba? Wasak na. 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down. So, we will be availing the banana boat. Mag-banana boat kami. Pero wag lang yung hulog. So we'll be availing the banana boat para just for the experience, no? So lots of our kids are down. 1 down, 2 down, 3 down. Si J-Lo nakasimangot na. Oh, gising pa si birthday boy. Oh. 4 down. Come on, kata. So for the experience, so sige. Let's experience the banana boat without the hulog-hulog kasi mga kids na. So we are in Cebu. So para ma-maximize na Alright? Alright, no? To complete the experience, we will avail the banana boat. Sila naman lalapit sa inyo. Sila kuya. 2.5. 2.5 diba kuya? Ilang minutes yun? 15 minutes. 15 minutes, pwede na. Oh, ito first time ni Baby Anika to do the banana boat. Hindi naman nila ihulog. Sabi namin wag ihulog.
Hindi ka naman ihulog, hindi tayo marunong.
Oh, sasakay ka lang dun, oh.
Yung bata, sa gitna lang yan.
Oh, sa gitna lang, hawak na lang. Oh, all the kids are excited.
Ah, ito na, palitan mo na.
So,
Papalitan
here
mo
is
nga,
Lexi.
Ben.
Oh,
Ben,
Lexi
palitan
will
mo na
avail
medyo
the banana
malaki.
boat. Oh, yay! First ba niya? Hindi.
Esli, be.
First time niya?
Oo.
Oh, first time din pala ni Lexi. Oh, first time din ni Anika. Oh.
Huwag ihuhulog.
Si Mrs. Ngayon ko lang nakita nag-banana boat to. Corny naman kasi ito. So dahil kay Anika.
Wait lang,
Oh,
kukuha
ayun
ko
lang,
sa
magbabanana boat sila. So I'll document the thing. Oh, ito rin. Sino ba to?
Maliliit talaga,
Oh,
ma'am. Grabe yan.
Oh, anong ulit pangalan mo?
Yan mo ako like
Kalimutan ko ang pangalan mo eh.
Doon ko sa...
Oh, magbabanana boat din. Oh, si Jello with Anya. Anya, are you excited? Oh, first time ba ni Anya?
Second.
Ah, second na pala. Oh, ikaw lang pala may experience. The rest of them are first timers. Is this your first time? First time?
No, second.
Second time already?
Because I read this before when I was 3.
Where?
On a banana boat.
Yeah, oh. It's Anya's first time. Anya, this is your second time?
No. Oh yeah.
Yeah? Second
did.
time? Oh, second time na pala. Kaya pala
That's
gusto eh. Ikaw, your first time. Oh.
No.
So you ride the banana boat.
Wait lang, kaya pa.
So everyone's excited. Yay! Our last stop for the island tour.
Yeah.
So So, Cebu Island hopping. Actually, when you have a hotel now, they have their own private tours already. So just ask your hotels. Just like what we did.
What's this?
This is a mic so that you can speak. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. So just ask your hotel for the tours. Ayan na. Banana boat. Yeah. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, okay. Ayan, everyone's there. Hello. Oh, excited na sila. Let's go. First time ni Anika. Hello everyone. Hello. Oh, okay. Hello. First time ni Anika. Oh, umiyak kaya. Lakas sa waves. Lakas sa waves. Hala. 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 Lakas sa waves. Oh, ayan na. Hello. Wala. Iyawan kami ni Ai. Yung document. Ai and I are documenting. Wala. Talo kami. So, wala. Angelo is there. Hi, so, when at Cebu, I think this one. That money cannot buy. Priceless. Kaya I want to document this para take the tour, the island tour. Parang 3 stops lang naman. All the hotels, they have their own tour. So you have to ask your hotel. So the bayad is like 3,000 $3,000. Pero it's worth it naman. Especially the lunch, no? Sarap yung lunch na ina. Then, we are enjoying the banana boat ride. The first time my daughter experienced it. Everyone can enjoy it. I can see Anya. Alright! I think I just enjoy it. I can see her reading for hanging out. Thanks for joining us. And hope you enjoyed this short video. Until next time. Alright, so the tour just finished. And we are on our way back to our hotel. Everyone's tired. So we enjoyed the banana boat, the island tour, everything. So sulit naman. So that's the trip for today. Actually, ang sarap ng lunch. Kompleto naman. So I enjoyed the chicken barbecue. Lahat actually kompleto. There's a lot of food kasama sa tour package. So again, everyone enjoyed the banana boat. And it's a full day event. So it's island tour. So just contact your hotel if ever you're in Cebu, and I'm sure your hotel has their own tours. So exactly what we did. So that's it, no? So I'm just sharing our experience for the day, the Cebu island hopping with the tour, the island hopping with the lunch and everything, with the banana boat. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.